Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class of standard 8. We already started with the playing with numbers and today we will solve some examples based on the rules of divisibility. We'll see the first example. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So when we say it is a multiple of 9 means that number is completely divisible by 9. We know the rules of divisibility. We know the rules of divisibility by the 9. If the sum of digits is divisible by 9, then that entire number is divisible by 9. So find the sum of the given number. So 21y5. So go on adding the digits, that is 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. So on adding, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 will be 8, 8 plus y remains. So up to here we are clear. Then how much value I should take to make the number divisible by 9? In the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In this number take any one digit as the value of y and check whether it is divisible by 9 or no. If I take 0, if I take 0, 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Is 8 a multiple of 9? No, then leave it. Next number you take 8 plus 1 is equal to how much it is? 9. Is 9 a multiple of 9? Yes, 9 into 1 is 9. Like this we have to select a number. So that is 9 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, what will be the value of y then? The value of y is therefore the value of y is equal to 1. The value of y is equal to 1. This is how you solve. If you want, you check it whether it is divisible or not. 2115 divided by 9. 9 into 2 will be 18. Remainder is how much? 3 remains. Next one will come. 9 into 3, 27. How much remains? 4 remainder. So 5 will come. 9 into 5 is 45, which is, then remainder is complete 0. So that means the value of y is equal to 1. We'll solve the next example. If 31z5 is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, what is the value of z? So this is as similar as the previous sum. So first thing, we know the rules of divisibility. When it is a multiple of 9, that means that number is completely divisible by 9. Now add the digits of the given number, z and 5. So 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. So on adding 4, 9 plus z. So to divide it by 9, how much I should add? See here, if I add, so in the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I can take it, choose any one of the digits and add to the z so that it is divisible by 9. So first I go with the 0. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Yes, is 9 a multiple of 9? Yes, 9 into 1 is 9. That means 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. That means the value of z is equal to 0. Is 0 the only value here? So if you want, check for the other numbers. If it is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, not a multiple, leave. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, not a multiple. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, it is not a multiple of 9, leave. Next, 9 plus 4, 13, not a multiple. 9 plus 5, 14, not a multiple. 9 plus 6, 15, not a multiple, leave it. 9 plus 7 is 16, not a multiple, leave it. 9 plus 8, 17, not a multiple, leave it. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So 9 into 2 is 18. So you can take value of z as 9 also. Either it may be 0 or 9. Both you can take. If you want to take it the value of z as 0, or you can take the value of z as 9 also, because see here, If it is 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 9 into 2 is 18. It is also divisible. So the value of 0 either 0 or it will be 9. We'll see the next question. If 24x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? So it is as similar as the divisibility of a 9. Yes, 3 and 9 divisibilities are same, where you add the digits of the given number. If the sum is divisible, then you say that number is completely divisible by 3 or 9. Now here it is given as a 3, so solve for it. So rules of divisibility of 3. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, then that number is completely divisible by 3. So 24x is given. So add the numbers. 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 6 plus x. So here the value of the x, you can take any one of the digits. So which are the digits we use in mathematics? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Among these any one you can take. So try with the first. If it is 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Is 6 a multiple of 3? Yes. It is divisible. So you can take the value of 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. That means 3 into 2 it is divisible by 3. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 0. Is 0 is the only value, or apart from 0 we get any other values? Just here. If it is 6 plus 1, 7. If it is 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So these two will be not get, here we will get 3 into 3 is 9. So the value of x may be 3 also, or we will solve here 6 plus 3 which is equal to 9. It is divisible because 3 into 3 is 9. The value of x may be 0 or 3. Apart from 3, if it is 6 plus 4, 10, not divisible, leave. 6 plus 5, 11, not divisible, leave. 6 plus 6, 12. Yes, 3 into 4 is 12. Either it may be also a 6. Next, apart from 6, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Either the value may be 9 also. So what are the possible values of x here? So it may be 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Any one of these values you can take as the value of the x. Because if you take 0, then also it is divisible by 3. If you take it as 3, then also it is divisible by 3. If you take as 6, then also it is divisible by 3. If you take as 9, then also it is divisible by 3. Only thing, add the digits, go on checking with the digits from 0 to 9. So what are the possible values of x you get? You note it down here. Now note down the homework. If 3, 1, Z5 is a multiple of 3, where Z is a digit, what is the value of Z? Find all the possible values of the Z. Okay. Either it may be 0, 3, 6, 9, like that you will get the values. Find all the possible values. If the 3-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? These two are the homework for you. Solve it. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next session with the new chapter. Thank you.